Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with your morning market stir for Thursday, January 22nd. Markets bounced again yesterday, a little bit of a positive tone, up another 10 points in the E-mini S&P at 2027. The high of the session was 2,032 and 3/4 as we continue to boost up quietly here. Dow futures up 30, 17,491. The Nasdaq was up 16 at 4182. Movement in the currencies as the ECB is trying to sort things out. Yesterday we got as high as 93.33 in the dollar and as low as 92.36. Big sell-off, but it did rebound some. Ended up being down 20 on the day at 93.14. Still above that 93 level. The euro currency had volatility, got as high as 116.83 as some of these plans continue to filter out. Ended up closing at 115.97. Up 43 points with a low of 115.47. So had a big bounce and then came back down a little bit. Bond futures down 24 in the 30-year at 149.03, seeing yields creep back up a little bit. And crude oil moved up $1.30 at 47.80 yesterday. Another mover was gold. Gold got as high as 1307, first time above 1300 in many months. Ended up closing unchanged at 1294, a little bit of a profit taking after this big run that we've seen in gold over the last couple of weeks. So, after that action yesterday, where do things stand on this Thursday morning in a shortened trading week? Well, we're positive. We're up 3 points in the E-mini S&P, 2029.5. Again, yesterday's high, 2032 and 3/4, pushing on that. Dow futures are up 32 at 17,523. The Nasdaq 100 right now is at 4183. The dollar index is back below 93 at 92.78, down 35, pushing the euro currency at 116.39, up 42. Treasuries are off a full basis point in the 30-year at 148.03, seeing some unwinding continue from the pull down yesterday. That's got yields back up a little bit, 2.5%, believe it or not, on the 30-year, and 1.90% in the 10-year note. So we'll see how the 10-year reacts if and when we get to that 2% resistance level. Crude oil's up $1 at 48.30. Again, let's remember that psychological resistance is at $50 up above. And gold down $9, a little bit more profit taking at 1284. So to wrap up the current action with 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open, we are positive, getting some follow through. Up 3 points in the S&P, up 32 in the Dow, and unchanged in the Nasdaq 100 Tech futures. I will see you early Friday morning for your morning market stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.